New York is back. New York is back and better than ever. And come see 350 East 77th Street, Apartment 1P. Apartment 1P is a newly and fully renovated one-bedroom with a windowed kitchen and windowed bathroom. There is an extra alcove in the bedroom, which is a perfect home office. Lots of deep closets, and here in the vibrant, exciting city, it is pin drop quiet. 350 East 77th Street just finished renovating the entire building earlier this year. There is a live-in resident manager, a huge laundry room with a public meeting area, a brand new state-of-the-art security system, a bike room, and a common storage room. Opening in just a few short weeks is a brand new roof deck for residents. The neighborhood. New shops are opening daily, and you are close to the John Jay Park with a great public pool. Many buses and the new 2nd Avenue subway are nearby. Contact me today and I will set up a private tour for you to see 350 East 77th Street, Apartment 1P, which is on the 2nd floor. I'm Debra Hoffman and I'm with Brown Harris Stevens.